In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your TikTok videos without any watermark. Hi, this is Neo Tan. Now, first of all, log into your TikTok account. For this case, I'm going to show you on PC. In another video I'm going to create is going to show you how to use mobile to download your TikTok videos or other people's videos without any watermark. So on PC, first of all, log into your TikTok account, and then next is to select any videos that you want to download. So for this case, I'm going to click on this video. So this is the video that I would like to download to my desktop, to my PC. So first of all, I got to first copy the link here, as you can see over here. Click on the copy link. Once you copy it, let's go to this link. Alright, so which is called ssstik.io. So I'm going to put this link in the description below or above of this video. Now go ahead and paste the link here and then click on download. Next, you may want to click on without watermark. So we're going to click on that. So there will be an ad. I'm going to click on close the ad. And here you can see the video has been successfully downloaded to my desktop like this, as you can see. Nice. Alright, so the next video I'm going to show you how to use mobile to download your TikTok videos without any watermark. Alright, so this is 101 and I'll see you in the next one.